This is Dr. Karamanoukian from myveinstore.com and veins.com talking about Phlebitis pack, which is manufactured by Uberceuticals. Phlebitis means inflammation of a vein. Phleb means vein and itis means inflammation. A blood clot that causes inflammation is called thrombophlebitis, which could be from a superficial vein, meaning a vein underneath the skin, or a deep vein. Deep vein thrombosis is a more ominous condition that results or needs to be treated with blood thinners. In either case, the physician should supervise the care of patients with superficial or deep vein clots with associated phlebitis. Superficial phlebitis typically has a benign course, but is associated with significant pain and discomfort. The associated inflammation can be painful to the touch and can cause pigmentation of the overlying skin, namely the skin overlying the vein that is inflamed. Superficial phlebitis is often treated with anti-inflammatory medications such as ibuprofen, Motrin, and Advil, as well as placement of warm compresses over the offending vein. Phlebitis can occur along branches of the great saphenous vein in the thigh, or along branches of the great saphenous vein below the knee, or along branches of the lesser or short saphenous vein in the calf or posterior thigh. The formulation in Phlebitis pack has been derived from treating a large number of patients in a busy clinical practice of phlebology, a board-certified specialty of venous diseases and venous surgery. The proprietary blend has been utilized extensively in 2 clinical practices, namely at the Vein Treatment Centers in Williamsville, Clarence, and East Amherst, New York, and the Santa Monica Vein Center. Now it is available to all patients. It is a non-prescription product which is physician formulated and used extensively at 2 National Centers of Excellence for Venous Diseases. Phlebitis pack has a proprietary formulation which utilizes a herbal constituent, Arnica montana, a phytoceutical, which is pycnogenol, as well as a nutraceutical derived from pineapple stems, which is bromelain. Arnica montana has thymol derivatives that are excellent in terms of their anti-inflammatory properties and have worked well in reducing inflammation associated with veins, such as in phlebitis. Bromelain is an anti-inflammatory agent and is used extensively for sports injury, trauma, or arthritis and other kinds of swelling. Its main uses are treatment of athletic injuries, healing after surgery to minimize bruising. It is also used to treat phlebitis. Bromelain is an efficacious alternative to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agents or NSAIDs. Pycnogenol is an extract from the French maritime pine tree with excellent antioxidant properties and is used effectively in our practice with very good antioxidant properties and reduces pigmentation of the skin that results from untreated phlebitis. Pycnogenol has procyanidins and bioflavonoids and has been touted as an excellent phytoceutical to combat a myriad of diseases in over 200 published scientific studies, hence the formulation of Phlebitis pack. Often, patients cannot tolerate taking non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medications such as ibuprofen, Motrin, and Advil because of their adverse effects on the lining of the stomach, as they cause gastritis or worse, bleeding from the stomach lining. Phlebitis pack does not cause such problems and is gentle on the stomach lining. Only 1 in 430 patients in our series could not take this product because it caused indigestion. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Karamanoukian from Veins.com, with offices in Williamsville, New York, Clarence, New York, and East Amherst, New York. The product can also be purchased on myveinstore.com or from the Santa Monica Vein Center, and can be reached through santamonicaveincenter.com.